Good morning. Welcome to Regional Distance Learning Clinical Seminar Series. Today's topic is Elimination of AIDS, Current Scenario and Beyond 2020. And speaker Dr. Jasleen Kaur. Dr. Jasleen Kaur is working as a medical officer at ART Center PJ Chandigarh. She completed her MBBS from MGM Medical College and Hospital and worked as a house surgeon in the pediatric department. She has served as a director in NIH project on neuro AIDS. She has successfully completed University of Washington course on clinical management of HIV and leadership and management in health. Now I request Dr. Jasleen to start the session. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. So today's topic is elimination of AIDS, current scenario and beyond 2020. It's like beyond 2021 now. So I'm Dr. Jasleen. I'm working at ART Center BGI. So let's begin with the as you all know, 20 years ago, when someone acquired HIV, they would have an average lifespan of not more than 12 years without the treatment. So, in today's, if a young person who become infected in this developed world, and uh, with the help of the treatment, his lifespan is normal. So, globally, the HIV/AIDS community has worked hard to realize SDG of ending the AIDS epidemic by 2030. So, what is SDG? SDG is Sustainable Developmental Goals. S SDG. Sonia? SDG, also known as Global Goals, which were adopted by the United Nations in 2015 as a universal call for action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that by 2030 all people enjoy peace and prosperity. तो जो ये SDG हैं, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स, ये जो यूएन ने बनाए थे, दिस दे वर 17 इन नंबर. नो, जिसमें फर्स्ट इज नो पॉवर्टी, जीरो हंगर, गुड हेल्थ, वेल बीइंग, quality education, clean and water sanitation, affordable energy, decent world, economic growth, industry innovation, infrastructure, sustainable cities, communities, responsible consumption and production, climatic actions, lifespan, life below water, life on land, peace and justice, strong institutions. So इसमें से जो target 3.3 है, its target is of ending AIDS epidemic by 2030. Similarly, there are other SDGs 5, 10, 16, and 17, which are clearly linked to AIDS response. SDG 17, that is the partnership for the goals. It is a government and partnership with NGOs and other organizations to help to achieve major reduction in the new HIV infection in the population. जो SDG 5 है, it promotes gender equality for it promotes health facilities for all. और SDG 10 जो है, it's reduced in inequalities. It advocates equal access to HIV services for all type of people, whether they are drug abuser or prisoner. SDG 16 जो है, it's for peace and justice. It emphasizes elimination of discrimination against people. Impact level milestones were to reduce new HIV infections, to fewer by 500,000 by 2020, and similarly to reduce the AIDS related deaths to fewer than 500,000 by 2020. and to eliminate HIV related stigma and discrimination. So, because of Corona, all the global commitments were taken a back seat. Global commitment for 2020, number one commitment was that all PLHI will have an access to treatment. Uh, the 300 lakh people living with HIV have an access to treatment. So, uh, in this 90% people, it was like 90 target. 90% PLHI should know their HIV status. Out of them, 90% will be on ART, and out of them 90% with sustained viral suppression. Now this 90 is changed to 95. Commitment 2 was for elimination of new HIV infections in children. In this regard, every pregnant lady was tested for HIV testing before the delivery, during ANC checkup, in the third trimester, so that any HIV positive pregnant female, if found positive, should be on treatment. Commitment 3, it was to access to combination of prevention options, including voluntary male circumcision, PEP, and the uh, young women and adolescent girls in HIV prevalent countries and key population like MSMs, gays, transgenders, and other IV drug user, they should have then access to the prevention options. Commitment 4 was regarding elimination of gender inequalities. That is, uh, discrimination, violence against women, girls should be eliminated by 2020. Commitment number 5 is about awareness. It ensures that young people should have proper skills, knowledge, and capacity to protect themselves. इससे होगा क्या कि जो उनको अवेयरनेस होगी तो न्यू इन्फेक्शंस जो हैं वो आगे कम होंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि आगे आएंगे नहीं या जो भी है, बट अवेयरनेस, keep a check, the people will come to know this is the route and we should avoid it. Commitment number 6 is 75% of the population, people with the high risk, uh, who are at risk of affecting by the HIV, will benefit from the social protection schemes. And commitment 7 ensures that at least 30% of all the service deliveries is community led. That is, जो इस community से belong करते हैं उन लोगों को इसके अंदर साथ में लेकर चले. Commitment 8. Commitment 8 is related to the scheme, like investment in HIV. HIV investment means कि उसके रोकने के लिए जो भी और कंट्रीब्यूशन करना पड़े और उसके अंदर एफर्ट्स पुट इन करनी पड़े वो की जाए. कमिटमेंट 9 इज एम्पावरिंग पीपल लिविंग विद एट रिस्क ऑफ HIV टू नो देयर राइट्स एंड जस्टिस. उनके राइट्स, जस्टिस, लीगल सर्विसेज के लिए उनको एक्सेस मिले ताकि उनकी प्रोटेक्शन हो सके. कमिटमेंट 10 जो है, इट एम्स एज कि we AIDS commit to take AIDS out of isolation through people centered approach. ये पीपल सेंट्रिक अप्रोच ना बन के इसको बाहर लेकर आया जाए सो दैट द अदर हेल्थ सर्विसेज वो भी कवर की जा सके उनकी, जैसे कि टीबी, सर्वाइकल कैंसर और हेपेटाइटिस बी एंड सी. 2020 target missed. From 2015 to 2020, there were around 3.5 million more HIV infections and at 820,000 more AIDS related deaths. So new infections जो हैं वो कम होने चाहिए थे और health services improve होनी चाहिए थी. At the global level, none of the 10 commitments have been met. So because of COVID, as I told you earlier, HIV has taken the backseat. So impact on HIV AIDS, impact of COVID-19 on HIV AIDS control program. PLHIV, those who are on ART, among 25 countries sufficiently reported no decline in the number of PLHIV on ART from April 20 to September 20. HIV testing जो थी वो कम हो गई थी because people were in lockdown, people were not getting them tested, and new detection and new ART initiation also declined substantially. PPT services जो थी वो भी disrupt हो गई थी. At least 7 countries reported ARV drug stock out from April 20 to September 20. So now the impact of COVID-19 on girls and women. Any bad situation, in any kind of a bad situation, there is an impact on the girls or women of the society. So similarly, gender inequalities also came in during this COVID-19. Those um, people were out of their jobs during this pandemic, and there was dropout of girls from the schools. Substantial proportion of women who need family planning services, they also had they also didn't have the access to them, the pills or the condoms distribution. They were all from the hospitals, and they during lockdown they were unable to reach. And the COVID-19 related services gaps for women are likely to contribute to increased unintended pregnancies and poor health outcomes among the women and the girls. Impact on key population. The sex workers derived, they were deprived of their livelihood. Because of this, they were unable to go out. Only source of income was from outside, and they were unable to go out. LGBT community, they also have lower access to condoms, lubricants during the COVID-19 crisis, and 12% of them were who were already on PrEP, they were no longer using them. So transgender were worstly affected because their only livelihood was when they go to the community. The poverty, unemployment, food insecurity was among them. So this is the model which projects the impact of COVID-19 on the HIV response. Disruption of services, 3 months, 6 months, or 2 years disruption. Then the additional new HIV infections, additional AIDS related deaths. 3 month disruption means 123,000 more new HIV infections, and additional AIDS related deaths more 69,000. And 6 month disruption will lead to 142,000 new HIV infections, additional AIDS related deaths 79,000. 2 year disruption, 293,000 new HIV infections, and AIDS related deaths are 148,000. So current scenario in India. India estimate in 2019 adult prevalence of HIV, that is 0.22%. So if we see from the next slide also, the adult prevalence of HIV in Mizoram, that is 2.32%. The highest in India, it's Mizoram, the adult prevalence of HIV. And second number is Nagaland, that is on second number 1.45%. Third number is Manipur 1.18%. Then Andhra, then Meghalaya. If we see the estimated number of PLHIV, they are 23.49 thousand. This is the estimated population. And the if we see by state-wise estimated number of PLHIV in Maharashtra, they alone Maharashtra has 3,96,000. Second number is for Andhra, that is 3.14 lakh. Karnataka 2.69 lakh. Then fourth number is UP 1.61 lakh. Fifth is Telangana 1.58 lakh. Sixth is Tamil Nadu 1.55. Seventh is Bihar 1.34. The annual incidence, that is new infections per thousand uninfected person, 0.05%. So, and annual incidence As per state, in Mizoram, it is 1.18%. In Karnataka, it is 6.39, Telangana for 4.08, and UP 3.8 thousand. The estimated annual new infections, that means the new infections which are coming, it is 69,220. That means 190 new infections every day, 8 new infections every hour. So estimated annual new infections are the most in Maharashtra. As I show you, annual estimated annual new infection in Maharashtra is 8,540. Estimated annual AIDS related death, they are 58,960, and annual HIV infection is 20,520. Nationally, uh, pregnant women who would require ART to prevent mother to child transmission of HIV, they need more and more promptly they should be taken to ART so that annual HIV infection should be taken low. Annual HIV infected pregnancy in Maharashtra, it is the highest, 3007. Decline in new infection from 2010 to 2019. New annual HIV infections, highest decline was seen in Karnataka. Percentage of decline was 75.1%. And annual AIDS related death, they were also seen highest in Karnataka. Percentage of decline 80.4%. In absence of any intervention, transmission rate is in the range of 20 to 45%. With the effective intervention, the rate can be reduced to the levels below 5%. So India started mother to child transmission of HIV syphilis program in 2002 with the single dose nevirapine. The primary route of HIV transmission to children is from mother to child. So in this slide, uh, percentage estimated pregnancy registered for ANC checkup, target was more than 95%, and our country achieved till March 20 is 90%, which is a good percentage. Percentage of estimated pregnancy screened for HIV, target was of more than 95%, our country achieved 89%. And percentage of estimated annual HIV infected pregnant women put on ART, that was also target of more than 95%, and our country achieved only 67%. Fast track target, that is 90-90-90 national scenario, global average. Now the first indicator, as you see, person PLHIV aware of their HIV status, first 90. Then the second 90 is out of PLHIV who know their HIV status, PLHIV on ART, that is second 90. Out of PLHIV who are on ART, percent PLHIV virally suppressed, this is third 90. Now this is 95, 95 and 95. The targets are like this. India in 2018 and 19 it is 71%. In 2019 and 20 it is 76%, and globally it is 79%. So it's a good indicator. We are working more and more efficiently towards our global goal. Out of PLHIV who know their HIV status, from the India 2018 and 19 it was 82%. Then in 2019 and 20 it was 84%. Globally it is 78%. Out of PLHIV who are on ART virally suppressed, our goal is of 95%. India in 2018-19 it is 68%. Now in 1920 it was 80.4%. It is a good percentage, and globally it is 86%. So it shows that we have a healthy PLHIV. the effort doesn't stop here. We need to put more efforts to eliminate this disease. So rejuvenated efforts are required. People centric approach, लोग आपस में आगे बढ़ के आए ताकि इसको और आगे हम इसको इम्प्रूव करें, ताकि लोग दवाई खाएं, इनोवेशंस आए, राइट बेस्ड अप्रोच हो, नए टारगेट्स लेके एक्सेलरेटेड एफर्ट्स करी जाएं, ताकि द प्रोग्राम शुड बी program should be such that people should come forward. The discrimination should be less. So more investment should be put in to reduce the HIV infection. 2025 AIDS target. This is the top line target for 2025. Here we can see 10s, 90s, 95s. So knowing this 2025 target, these are three interlinked areas. The 10s are the enabling environment, 95 is the service access, and 90 is the service integration. The 10s call for the removal of societal and legal barriers of HIV services. They state that by 2025, less than 10% of countries should have this in this slide. I'll show you. Less than uh, according to this, they state that by 2025, less than 10% of the country should have punitive laws and policies in place that target people living with HIV or marginalized population. Less than 10% of the people should experience stigma and discrimination, and less than 10% of the people should experience gender inequality or violence. Now the this 95% in this, I'll show you. The first 95 is the combination prevention, testing, treatment, and viral suppression. People should use appropriate, prioritized, person centered, and effective combination preventions options. They should have a choice of multiple tools to prevent HIV infection, including behavioral, biomedical approach, comprehensive sexual education in a critical HIV prevention component for adolescent young people, keeping girls in mind. In though we should empower girls by educating them and empowering them economically. Condom protection to the sex workers, and OSTs for the people who are having who are on IV drug users or taking. The second is 95 testing target is of PLHIV should know their status. The subpopulation who are living with HIV know their HIV status. Differentiated HIV testing model should be there. Innovative strategies to reach the subpopulation, those who are left behind. Third 95 target is the ART target, that people should be on treatment. Those population who are living with HIV and who know their HIV status, they should be on ART therapy. Fourth is viral load suppression. 95% of the people with this subpopulation who are on antiretroviral therapy should have suppressed viral loads. Fifth, 95 is elimination of mother to child transmission. 95% coverage of services for eliminating vertical transmission. The 95% of the women of the reproductive age have their HIV and sexual and reproductive health services needs met. 95% of the pregnant and breastfeeding women living with HIV have suppressed viral loads, and 95% of the HIV exposed children are tested by 2025. Sixth, 95 is the SRH services, sexual reproductive health services. Women access HIV and sexual reproductive health services. 95% of the pregnant women who are tested for HIV, syphilis, and hepatitis B surface antigens at least once and as early as possible. In HIV burden settings, pregnant and breastfeeding women with unknown HIV status or who previously tested HIV negative should be retested during late pregnancy and in the postpartum period. जो भी प्रेग्नेंट फीमेल है जिसको भी फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में पॉजिटिव आ गई शी शुड बी ऑन ट्रीटमेंट लेकिन अगर वो पहली बार नेगेटिव भी आ गई तो भी बिफोर डिलीवरी लेट प्रेगनेंसी में भी उसका रीटेस्ट होना चाहिए थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर में ताकि अगर कोई रिस्क है तो उस टाइम पे भी वो कवर किया जा सके नाउ दी 10-10-10 अप्रोच which I have already discussed. Now I will show you the slide. In this, now we are left with 90%. The it is a integration um, services to the risk communities and people living with the HIV. 90% of people living with HIV and people at higher risk of HIV, they should be linked to services important for overall health. These include mental health, preventing and addressing gender biased violence, sexual and reproductive health, and rights to communicable and non communicable disease services. The goals for 2025: less than 10% of the people living with HIV report internalized stigma by 2025. Less than 10% of the people living with HIV report experiencing stigma and discrimination in healthcare and community settings by 2025. Less than 10% of the key population, that is, gay men and other men who have sex with men, sex workers, transgender people, and people who inject drugs, report experiencing stigma and discrimination by 2025. Less than 10% of the general population reports discriminatory attitude towards people living with HIV by 2025. Less than 10% of the health worker report negative attitudes towards living with HIV by 2025. Less than 10% of the health workers report negative attitudes towards key population by 2025. Less than 10% of the law enforcement officers report negative attitudes towards key population. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब हमारे गोल्स जो हैं हमने सेट किए हैं दे शुड बी प्रैक्टिकल गोल्स अगर पीपल सेंट्रिक अप्रोच होगी लोग हेल्थ सेंटर्स में आगे आएंगे उनके साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होगी कोई गे है एमएसएम है या कोई टीजी है या कोई सेक्स वर्कर है दे विल definitely come forward for who doesn't want to live happily and healthy. So when the people they have less discriminatory attitude from the people, they will come forward, and our goal is to eliminate AIDS. And how we'll do it? By enforcing laws and by giving them good medicine, by taking good care of them, and so that a good this PPT city program in which every mother should be on ART. So every mother who is HIV positive should be on ART so that the child can be saved from the disease. 90% service access for at risk population, adoption of people centered and context specific integrated approaches that support the achievement of 2025 HIV टारगेट्स. पीपल सेंट्रिक अप्रोच होगी तो हमें उन्हें डायरेक्ट सपोर्ट कर सकेंगे. पीपल जो जिनको रिस्क बढ़ जाता है कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस का नॉन कम्युनिकेबल उनको क्योंकि उनको एच है ensuring at least 90% of the people living with HIV and individuals with the higher risk infection to services, communicable and non-communicable sexual or gender biased violence, mental health और services they need for their overall health and well-being, इन services को हम उनको दे पाएंगे. Now our country is on track. एक्टिविटीज कैसी हैं, जैसे प्रमोशन ऑफ कम्युनिटी बेस्ड स्क्रीनिंग चल रही है टू मेक HIV टेस्टिंग सर्विसेज मोर एक्सेसिबल. असिस्टेड पार्टनर नोटिफिकेशन होता है टू इंक्रीज डिटेक्शन यील्ड. प्री एक्सपोजर प्रोफाइलेक्सिस दिया जाता है. HIV सेल्फ टेस्टिंग के लिए समझाया जाता है. प्रमोशन ऑफ एक्सेस टू सेक्सुअल रिलेटेड हेल्थ सर्विसेज, कोलैबोरेशन विद दी NHM, इंटीग्रेशन और पब्लिक हेल्थ प्रोग्राम्स को साथ में लेके इन सब चीज़ों को आगे लाया जाता है. प्रमोशन ऑफ डोल्टागोविर एज फर्स्ट लाइन, दिस इज अ गुड स्टेप फ्रॉम NACO. जो डोल्टागोविर है वो हमारे फर्स्ट लाइन ट्रीटमेंट में आ गई है एंड इट हेल्प्स इन सस्टेनिंग वायरल लोड सप्रेशन इन ART PL HIV पीपल. HIV बिल आया 2017 में टू mitigate stigma and discrimination associated with HIV. Assisted partner notification, तो इसका डेफिनेशन है कि एक इंडेक्स क्लाइंट क्या होता है. इट्स एन इंडिविजुअल न्यूली डायग्नोज एज HIV पॉजिटिव, जो एक इंसान नया नया पता चला है जिसको HIV पॉजिटिव, और एन HIV पॉजिटिव इंडिविजुअल हु इज एनरोल्ड इन HIV ट्रीटमेंट सर्विसेज. ये एक इंडेक्स क्लाइंट है. पार्टनर नोटिफिकेशन सर्विसेज जो है वो उसकी वॉलंटरली है. Finding approach that focuses on eliciting the sexual or the needle sharing partner or the biological children of that कंसेंटिंग HIV पॉजिटिव इंडिविजुअल. जो ये इंडेक्स क्लाइंट है, इसके आगे जो पार्टनर्स होंगे, चाहे वो उसका सेक्सुअल पार्टनर हो, चाहे नीडल शेयरिंग वाला पार्टनर हो, या उसके बायोलॉजिकल चिल्ड्रन हो, दे शुड बी also be tested through HIV counseling and testing services. Suppose this is the index client. He can have a spouse, मेल और फीमेल. सो पोटेंशियल एक्सपोजर जो है वो हमें यहीं से उससे हम पूछेंगे और उसके सेक्सुअल पार्टनर्स की हिस्ट्री लेंगे. इंजेक्टिंग पार्टनर्स पूछेंगे, उसके बायोलॉजिकल चिल्ड्रन. इफ इंडेक्स क्लाइंट is less than 19 years, then biological mother is also tested for HIV. For all biological children less than 19 years, tested for HIV if the mother is HIV positive or the father is HIV positive and reports the child's mother is positive, deceased या तो नहीं रही और her status is unknown. Biological siblings अगर उनके आगे हैं. So गोल असिस्टेड पार्टनर नोटिफिकेशन. अब गोल क्या है? द गोल ऑफ असिस्टेड पार्टनर नोटिफिकेशन इज टू ब्रेक द चेन ऑफ HIV ट्रांसमिशन. जब हम उसको बोलेंगे कि वो अपनी टेस्टिंग के साथ अपने पार्टनर की टेस्टिंग कराए, तो उसके आगे जो और अफेक्टेड लोग हैं वो भी सामने आ जाएंगे. या तो वो नेगेटिव पता चल जाएंगे, या अगर उनको बीमारी है तो वो भी पता चल जाएगी. To break the chain of HIV transmission by offering HIV counseling and testing services to persons who have been exposed to HIV through this index client and linking them to HIV care and treatment if they are positive. और अगर नहीं है, if they are negative, then prevention services, condom distribution, guidance, और उसको रीटेस्टिंग के लिए भी समझाएंगे. प्रोसेस ऑफ असिस्टेड पार्टनर नोटिफिकेशन. प्रोसेस क्या है? असिस्टेड पार्टनर नोटिफिकेशन इज डन थ्रू कॉन्टैक्ट रेफरल या प्रोवाइडर रेफरल या ड्यूअल रेफरल अप्रोचेस. कॉन्टैक्ट रेफरल क्या हुआ कि एन असिस्टेड पार्टनर नोटिफिकेशन सर्विस है अप्रोच इन विच HIV पॉजिटिव क्लाइंट एंटर्स इनटू कॉन्टैक्ट विद द ट्रेन्ड प्रोवाइडर एंड एग्री टू डिस्क्लोज. जैसे वो ICTC में आया और उसने एग्री कर लिया कि वो अपना स्टेटस जो है, जो उसका पार्टनर है उसको बताएगा, एंड रेफर देयर पार्टनर्स टू HIV टेस्टिंग सर्विसेज, और उसको रेफर करेगा कि तू भी जाके अपना टेस्ट करा विद इन अ स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड. तो इससे क्या हुआ? वो जो इंडेक्स क्लाइंट था उसी ने उसको कॉन्टैक्ट रेफरल दिया कि मैं कॉन्टैक्ट में आया हूँ, तो तुम आगे जाके टेस्ट कराओ. प्रोवाइडर रेफरल क्या हुआ? इफ द पार्टनर ऑफ द HIV पॉजिटिव इंडिविजुअल डज नॉट एक्सेस टू द HIV काउंसलिंग एंड टेस्टिंग सर्विसेज और कॉन्टैक्ट द हेल्थ प्रोवाइडर विद इन दैट पीरियड. अब वो उसको उसने दिया दैट पीरियड इज अराउंड 14 days. अब उस पीरियड के बीच बीच में उसका पार्टनर वहां पे नहीं आया, then the provider will contact the partner directly or offer voluntarily HIV counseling and testing services. Dual referral क्या है? An assisted partner notification service approach in which a trained provider accompanies and provides support to the HIV positive client when they disclose their status and the potential exposure to HIV infection to their partners. The provider also on voluntarily HIV testing सर्विसेज टू दी पार्टनर. तो इसमें क्या है, जो असिस्टेड पार्टनर उसने अप्रोच ली, उसने जो आईसीटीसी का काउंसलर था उसके साथ बैठ के उसने अपना स्टेटस जो है डिस्क्लोज किया. ऑप्शंस फॉर नोटिफाइंग योर पार्टनर अबाउट एचआईवी, ये भी सेम उसी तरह से है. क्लाइंट रेफरल है, यू टेल योर पार्टनर अबाउट योर एचआईवी एंड एनकरेज हिम और हर टू reach the health facility for the test. और provider referral वही हो गया, counselor or the other health care worker will call you or visit your partner and inform them that they need HIV testing. और contract referral, you and the counselor will work together. इसमें जो index client है और जो counselor है वो दोनों मिलके काम करेंगे to notify their partner. After which the counselor will contact the partner. और ड्यूल रेफरल में क्या है, द काउंसलर प्रोवाइडर विल सिट विद यू एंड योर पार्टनर एंड सपोर्ट यू एंड एज यू टेल योर पार्टनर अबाउट एचआईवी. जैसे जैसे आप उस पार्टनर के अपने बारे में बताएंगे वो आपको साथ साथ में असिस्ट करेगा कि इसको ये बीमारी है, सो दैट द कोई भी एचआईवी क्लाइंट जो है वो नहीं चाहेगा कि उसकी जो इंफॉर्मेशन है जब उसके पार्टनर को पता चलिए, द पार्टनर शुड फील नेगेटिव अबाउट इट या उसके लिए कुछ हो जाए. तो जो आईसीटीसी काउंसलर्स हैं या एआरटी काउंसलर्स जो हैं, दे आर वेल ट्रेन्ड फॉर दिस. दे मेक द सिचुएशन मोर कंफर्टेबल फॉर देम, so that they, after going from the, after getting the test, they should go and live happily. उनके बीच में कोई ऐसी डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन ना आ जाए, सो दैट उनको समझाया जाता है कि हाँ जी इसको ये बीमारी आ गई है. then only if the partners are tested, then only we'll come to know कि आगे एचआईवी स्प्रेड तो नहीं हुआ है. अगर आगे स्प्रेड नहीं हुआ है तो उसको आगे हमने रोकना भी है, तभी हम इसको और एलिमिनेशन की तरफ तभी हम हमारा आगे स्टेप बढ़ा सकेंगे. इफ विल come to know the number of people affected because of the index client. तो अगर हम इंडेक्स क्लाइंट से ही आगे आगे के उसके लूप्स लेते जाएंगे और उनको टेस्ट करते जाएंगे इस तरह से और अवेयरनेस बढ़ाएंगे, देन वी कैन थिंक ऑफ एलिमिनेशन ऑफ एचआईवी and we can be able to achieve our goals. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. We were safety coordinator yang sama sebenarnya. Participants are requested to please type in their questions in the chat box. They were responding directly to the technical specialist. So now after the किसी के कोई सवाल हो तो अनम्यूट भी कर सकते हैं, माइक अनम्यूट कर दीजिए प्लीज. Is now diluted overall. And then
Any queries, please?
Ma'am, I don't think there are any questions. It becomes really difficult for us. So I think that is something which we have to do.
Oh, ma'am, I think we can end the session now.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you to
you
all the
all.
participants.